This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register a complaint for your Lenovo laptop. It's important to know the proper steps to ensure your concerns are heard and addressed efficiently. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary details to understanding the various ways you can reach out to Lenovo's support team. Our goal is to make this process as straightforward as possible, helping you get the assistance you need for your device. Let's get started on ensuring your Lenovo experience is a positive one. Before contacting support, it's crucial to have all your information ready. This includes your laptop's serial number, which is usually found on a sticker on the bottom of your device or within the system information. You'll also need the exact model name, the date of purchase, and a clear, detailed description of the issue you're experiencing. Having these details at hand will significantly speed up the complaint registration process and help the support team understand your situation better. Lenovo offers several convenient ways to register a complaint. The most common method is through their official support website, where you can often find a dedicated section for submitting service requests or complaints. Alternatively, you can contact their customer service via phone. Be prepared to provide the information we discussed earlier. Remember, choosing the right channel can sometimes depend on the urgency and nature of your issue, so explore both options to find the best fit for you. Once you've registered your complaint, it's vital to keep a record of all communications. This includes any case numbers, dates, and names of the representatives you speak with. You can typically check the status of your complaint online using the provided case ID. While resolution times can vary, often taking 24 to 48 hours for initial responses, patience is key. Don't hesitate to follow up if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame to ensure your issue is progressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.